Hey guys, how you doing? Smash here. Let's talk today about a thing that's going on in a lot of people's life right now. They don't really like it. It's sometimes on the news. Not sure if you know what I'm talking about, but it's video calls, Zoom calls, Google Meets, Skype, you name it. Why I want to talk about it is because I've noticed
you suck at lighting, yeah, you totally suck.
A lot of people tend to don't really know how to light their video calls the best way and the most flattering way in particular. I've seen a lot of silhouettes because they light from behind for some reason. They don't have enough lights on them. To address this today, I will show you the 3 best and probably the cheapest ways to light your video calls so you can make a good impression on your boss, on your Tinder date, or whatever you do your video calls. Maybe on your grandma. Yeah. So your grandma looks at you and thinks, oh, that's a handsome fella. So let's get right into the first setup. The first setup is pretty simple. It only works on daylight, but you need to position yourself in front of a window so the light from the window hits you straight on. It works best on cloudy days. Window is mostly a huge source of light. That's most of the time the best way to light yourself really evenly. So let me show you. So now you see the light is hitting me straight in front of me. I'm pretty good lit. The good thing about sitting in front of a window is the background gets darker, so you stand out more in front of it. And yeah, it's really flattering light. It's really like a big source of light, which gives you less wrinkles and everything. So this is really good if you want to have like a beauty shot, I guess. Let's move on to the next one. Not everybody can use external lights like video production. So let's talk about your normal household lamps. These lamps are perfect for lighting yourself for video calls. What you have to consider while using these is not trying to let the light bulb hit yourself directly. Why? Because this is going to cast hard shadows or gives you a really bright spot when you point it directly at you. And it's not good for your eyes when you do like 8 hours of calls a day. What you want to do is turn it to a wall, preferably. You want to prefer a white wall because that can really like reflect the light really good and gives you an even lit face. So I will show you in a second how you do it. So let's jump into it. I've now pointed the light right at me and it's hitting me pretty hard and it's pretty uneasy for my eyes to look at the screen right now. And you also see that I'm really glossy around some areas. So let's turn the light to the wall and see how that looks. You can see there's a much brighter area of light that's going to hit us. So you also can see I have a much more evener lit face. I'm not that glossy anymore. And also everything feels more natural. Okay, let's say you can't move your desk in front of a window. Your light source is not bright enough. So what you can do, point yourself into the direction of the window so it's hitting you from far away, but this is not enough light, so you can put on additionally light from the side. So you're getting light from like 2 sides, and this is going to help you light yourself evenly. Let's see what it looks like. So now you can see what it looks like when you get lit from the window from that direction and from the external light from this direction. If I put this light source out, you can still see there's like a light hitting myself this way. So to don't get so many shadows on my right side of my face, let's put on the other light, and yeah, that's how you light yourself. So if you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe for more tips and tricks around lighting yourself for your next Tinder date. See you.